To get the most out of every training session, you need a highly visible time source to keep you moving with purpose and track your pace at all times. While phones have some great apps, they're just too expensive and fragile. Their reflective screens can be hard to see, and they're likely to go to sleep mid-workout. Wearables may work well for running, but not for workouts that need both hands. Introducing Timebirds.
I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
We collaborated with athletes of all types to take the things they love about their wall-mounted gym timer and build them into a personal device. The result is a solid timer that feels great to hold and looks at home wherever you place it. To cover all of your training needs, Timebirds is programmed with 5 versatile workout modes you can easily cycle through with just one touch. Then you simply tap the bird to start. Timebirds are small enough to fit in your pocket, but large enough to see during a workout. So they're always ready when you are, they are fitted with a long-lasting and rechargeable battery. The sleek design has been purpose-built, inside and out, to survive the sweatiest environments. The components have been securely encased in a hard-wearing rubber skin and sealed with a scratch-resistant lens. The powerful LEDs illuminate the display, and an anti-glare treatment increases overall visibility. While its base dimensions enable Timebirds to stand independently, the built-in magnetic spine allows you to simply display it wherever you need it. During COVID isolation, we've had prototypes in use, and the feedback and support has been incredible.
Got your up timer, your down timer, you can do intervals, you can do rounds, you can do whatever you want.
Having that right in front of you is a big difference.
It's actually really cool to take it travelling.
And it's much easier than using my phone.
All we need now is your support.